The generative AI boom has created an insane opportunity to double your money in 2023. I've uncovered 10 red-hot AI and tech stocks primed for massive growth. Stocks the experts are calling potential 10x returns in the next few years. In a minute, I'll reveal inside tips on an AI stock growing sales at over 50% a year and positioning itself to dominate a $20 billion market. You need to get your piece of this action before it's too late. But first, how many of you have invested in AI or tech stocks before? Let me know in the comments. And quickly let me clarify that I am not a financial advisor, and this is just my opinion, not professional advice. First up is Nvidia, the clear leader when it comes to AI chips and software. Nvidia produces the top graphics processing units, or GPUs, that provide the core computing power needed to run advanced AI models. As demand rises for AI capabilities in everything from smartphones to self-driving cars, Nvidia is poised for massive growth. In 2022, Nvidia's data center revenue, which includes AI chips, surged 58% to over $14 billion. But Nvidia doesn't just make the hardware. Its CUDA software development platform allows programmers to leverage Nvidia GPUs for AI development. This comprehensive approach has made Nvidia the go-to AI chip provider. As AI moves from research labs to real-world deployment across industries, their stock could see its sales double over the next 5 years. Next is Microsoft. While not a pure-play AI stock, Microsoft is positioned extremely well to capitalize on the AI boom. Obviously, Microsoft's bread and butter remains Windows and Office software, but it has been aggressive about leveraging its strategic partnership with leading AI startup OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT. For example, Microsoft is baking OpenAI's natural language processing into its Office 365 suite through a new feature called Designer. This uses AI to generate content like emails, pitches, and more. Microsoft is also offering OpenAI models through its Azure cloud computing platform. Moving on to third AI stock comes Google, another tech giant with leading AI capabilities. Google has focused heavily on search dominance for years, but it has quietly built an arsenal of AI talent and technology. At its recent I/O conference, Google showcased how its large language models can enhance search, Google Maps, cloud services, and Android. While Google still faces challenges in areas like self-driving cars, when it comes to consumer-facing AI, it has the data and resources to compete with anyone. Google's kitchen sink approach of applying AI across all its products gives it an edge. And Google Cloud offers AI services like natural language processing to its growing roster of business clients. On number 4, we have none other than IBM, a tech stalwart that is reinventing itself around AI. With its legacy server and database software businesses lagging, IBM has invested heavily in acquisitions to jumpstart its AI capabilities. In just the past year, it has acquired at least 10 AI-focused startups. These range from AI training platform Dynapad to application security firm Reacta. IBM is working aggressively to challenge the likes of OpenAI and Anthropic with its own large language model called Watson. While earlier efforts like Watson Health failed to gain traction, new IBM CEO Arvind Krishna is betting big on AI. With over 25,000 patents and 9 Nobel Prize winners on staff, IBM boasts one of the most impressive AI teams around. If IBM makes the right moves under its new leadership, don't count this veteran tech player out of the race to dominate AI. Next up is Salesforce, or CRM. While Salesforce may not immediately come to mind as an AI stock, its Einstein AI technology powers its market-leading CRM and sales software products. Salesforce has baked predictive analytics and automation into its platform for years now, helping businesses close more deals. But Salesforce isn't resting on its laurels. It recently announced a partnership with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT like conversational AI into its Slack messaging platform. This gives Salesforce another edge by automating more workflows for sales and customer support teams. Next on the list is consumer tech titan Apple. Now, Apple lags behind rivals in some leading AI applications. You won't find an Apple chatbot rivaling Google or Microsoft's offerings yet. However, Apple's tremendous skill in hardware and software integration means it could eventually bake more AI capabilities into its signature devices. With over 1.8 billion active iPhones already in use, Apple has an unmatched distribution channel to push AI-enabled apps and features to the masses. Its prowess in areas like computer vision and on-device voice recognition means there's plenty of AI innovation left in Apple. And even if AI isn't front and center yet, Apple's growth trajectory remains strong thanks to demand for 5G iPhones and services like Apple Music. Moving on, we come to Meta platforms. Formerly known as Facebook, Meta has gone all in on its vision for the metaverse and virtual reality. This requires major advancements in AI research to create interactive, immersive digital worlds. Meta recently built an AI research supercluster computer focused on this effort. However, Meta faces two big challenges. First, short-term revenue relies heavily on advertising that may see disruption from AI-powered ad targeting and content creation. And its Oculus virtual reality unit has struggled. So while Meta has AI potential, it faces stiffer competition than some other tech giants on this list. The metaverse could ultimately be a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, but it remains a risky long-term bet. On number 8, we come to e-commerce leader Amazon. Amazon utilizes AI across its massive retail business, including recommendations that drive additional sales. It also leverages AI robots in its logistics and fulfillment centers. However, Amazon lags behind leading cloud competitors in providing AI services to business customers. And its voice assistant Alexa trails Google, Microsoft, and Apple in consumer generative AI capabilities. But with leading market share in cloud infrastructure and new AI chips reportedly in development, don't underestimate Amazon's potential. Its vast trove of shopping data provides unmatched training material to develop disruptive AI algorithms. If Amazon makes the right moves in generative AI, it could accelerate revenue growth and propel this $1 trillion behemoth even higher. And on number 9, we have Taiwan Semiconductor, the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer. Even if you haven't heard of it, Taiwan Semi plays a crucial role in producing the advanced chips designed by companies like Nvidia and Qualcomm. As AI workloads require more computational power, demand for leading-edge semiconductors will surge. Taiwan Semi invests over $30 billion annually in R&D and fabrication plants to maintain its manufacturing lead. With a dominant position in cutting-edge chip fabrication and orders booked well in advance, Taiwan Semi is poised for steady growth as AI accelerates chip demand. And here comes my final pick, which is Adobe. Adobe might seem like an unlikely AI play, but it recently unveiled Adobe Express, its own suite of AI content creation tools. This builds on Adobe's legacy leading software like Photoshop and Premiere Pro. With Adobe's brand reputation, it could become a leader in AI creative software for professionals, and consumers alike. Adobe's recent growth and profitability have been impressive. But new generative AI products open up even more expansion potential in the $40 billion creative software market. For investors looking for AI exposure in an established, profitable company outside the big tech giants, Adobe hits the mark. And those are my top 10 stocks to capitalize on the exploding opportunities in artificial intelligence. The AI revolution is just getting started. These companies have the technology, data, and resources to potentially deliver huge returns. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell here at AIexplore to catch all our future AI investing and product analyses.